not how. The Corjack Heatherton had taken the vow, had taken the oath, the gangster for life. Through the bad I'm feeling, till the lights go out. But not even Corjack knew what it was all about. Man, Dog Mullet was a bad motherfucker, bad motherfucker, as bad as they come. Fresh out of jail, as big as they get. Shit like a bulldog, only much, much bigger, bigger than a nigger. We're all in it together, living in the wild shit. Ow. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, Franky Fortesque. You had a dream, you had a vision. Inspirated. He practiced guitar in sarong, and he headed east with hippie. The vibrations call. Everyone knew Jason Gregg how to screw loose. He likes to get naked and talk about his ass. Pushing on 40, still living at home. Freaking out his mother, stinking out the house. Everyone these days has lost the plot, has lost the plot. Oh man, they're all sending me nuts, driving me crazy. Ow. I'm finally going round the bend. I'm here, you're here, everyone's here, living in the